Samsung is getting ready to take smart wearables to the next level, and a huge new leak has now revealed exciting details about the upcoming Galaxy Ring 2 Ultra. After the first Galaxy Ring introduced Samsung's vision for smart health tracking in a tiny wearable, the second generation is expected to bring major upgrades in almost every area. From a thinner design to better battery life and smarter health sensors, this new ring could become one of Samsung's biggest wearable launches yet. According to recent reports, the Galaxy Ring 2 Ultra is expected to launch sometime in the second half of 2027. Samsung usually unveils major products during its Galaxy Unpacked events, and this ring is rumored to appear during one of those big showcases. Even though that release still seems far away, the extra development time may actually be good news. It suggests Samsung is focusing heavily on improving the experience instead of rushing the product to market. And honestly, that could make a huge difference. One of the biggest complaints about smart wearables is battery life. Most people do not want to charge another device every single day. Samsung seems to understand that problem very well because the Galaxy Ring 2 Ultra is rumored to offer a massive battery improvement. Leaks suggest the ring could last between 9 to 10 days on a single charge. That is a big jump compared to the original Galaxy Ring, which reportedly offered around 7 days of battery life. While a few extra days may not sound huge at first, in real life it changes everything. Users can wear the ring for longer periods without worrying about charging, especially during travel, work routines, or fitness activities. Longer battery life also means better continuous health tracking. Sleep monitoring, heart rate tracking, and other sensors work best when the device stays on the finger all the time. Constant charging interruptions can ruin long-term health data, so this upgrade could make the Galaxy Ring 2 Ultra much more reliable for everyday use. But battery life is not the only area getting improved. Samsung is also reportedly redesigning the entire ring to make it thinner and lighter. That is extremely important because comfort matters more than anything when it comes to smart rings. Unlike smartwatches, rings are much smaller and stay in direct contact with the finger all day and night. If they feel heavy or bulky, users quickly stop wearing them. The Galaxy Ring 2 Ultra is expected to solve that issue with a more refined and lightweight build. The thinner body could make the ring feel almost invisible during daily activities. Whether someone is typing on a keyboard, exercising at the gym, sleeping, or simply walking around, the ring should feel more natural and comfortable. Samsung clearly wants this device to blend into daily life instead of feeling like a piece of technology attached to the hand. Now let's talk about the biggest part of this leak, the health features. Samsung is reportedly working on major sensor upgrades for the Galaxy Ring 2 Ultra. These new sensors are expected to provide more accurate and detailed health tracking than before. One of the highlighted features is improved skin temperature monitoring. This may sound simple, but skin temperature data can actually reveal a lot about overall health. Changes in temperature can sometimes help detect stress, illness, recovery patterns, or body changes over time. With improved accuracy, the Galaxy Ring 2 Ultra could provide much more useful insights instead of just basic numbers. Sleep tracking is also getting smarter. Samsung is rumored to be introducing more advanced sleep algorithms that analyze sleep quality in greater detail. Instead of simply showing sleep hours, the ring could offer deeper information about rest quality, sleep cycles, interruptions, and recovery levels. Good sleep has become one of the biggest focuses in modern health technology, and Samsung clearly wants to compete strongly in this area. For people trying to improve fitness, energy levels, or daily productivity, better sleep data could become extremely valuable. Another major upgrade is expected in cardiovascular monitoring. The Galaxy Ring 2 Ultra may include more advanced heart rate sensors capable of delivering more precise readings throughout the day. Better heart monitoring can help users track workouts, stress levels, and overall heart health more effectively. This is becoming a huge trend in wearable technology right now. Smart devices are no longer just fitness accessories. Companies are slowly turning them into personal health companions that help users understand their bodies in real time, and Samsung seems fully committed to that future. Now, there is one feature many people were hoping for, but it may not arrive just yet. Blood glucose monitoring. Reports say Samsung is actively researching non-invasive blood glucose technology, but the Galaxy Ring 2 Ultra will likely launch without it. Even though that may disappoint some users, it is still exciting news because Samsung is clearly investing in future medical-grade wearable technology. If Samsung successfully develops non-invasive glucose tracking in future rings, It could completely transform wearable health devices forever. Millions of people living with diabetes currently rely on traditional glucose monitoring methods that can be uncomfortable or inconvenient. A smart ring capable of tracking glucose levels without needles would be a massive breakthrough for the entire industry. So even though the feature may not arrive in this generation, Samsung's long-term plans are looking very ambitious. Another interesting thing about the Galaxy Ring 2 Ultra is how Samsung is positioning it within its ecosystem. The Ring will likely work closely with Galaxy smartphones, smartwatches, and Samsung Health services. That means users may get a fully connected health experience where all data syncs together automatically. This connected ecosystem could become one of Samsung's biggest advantages over competitors. The wearable market is becoming more crowded every year, but Samsung appears to be focusing on something very important: balance. The company is not just adding random features for marketing purposes. Instead, the Galaxy Ring 2 Ultra seems focused on practical improvements that people will actually notice in daily life. Longer battery life, better comfort, improved sensors, and smarter health insights may sound simple individually, but together they could create a much better user experience. And if these leaks turn out to be accurate, Samsung could be preparing one of the most advanced smart rings ever made. The Galaxy Ring 2 Ultra still appears to be quite far from launch, but the early details already show that Samsung is taking wearable health technology very seriously. The company is clearly pushing toward a future where small wearable devices become powerful tools for tracking wellness, improving lifestyle habits, and possibly even managing medical conditions. Now, the big question is whether Samsung can deliver all these promises when the device officially launches. Would the Galaxy Ring 2 Ultra replace a smartwatch in daily life? And is smart ring technology finally becoming the future of wearables? Share thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more latest tech leaks and updates.